used in fidget training. This is used too with my dad, Kyle. Say hi to the camera.
Hey, buddy.
He might be tired though.
Well, he worked all day. Yeah,
All day.
that's all right.
Kyle
Okay,
did not
let's
want
play.
to work.
I don't think
So,
anyone wants
let's
to
get
work.
into it. So first, let's do rock paper scissors first.
Okay.
Again, rock paper scissors shoot. You go first.
All right.
You're gonna go first.
So I have this big
Simple dimple.
simple dimple.
You call it a different size pocket.
Yeah,
What do you call it now? A pocket?
it's pretty special. So
I have this Rubik's sphere. Its real name's a puzzle ball.
pretty
Oh,
cool.
I started on it.
it's hard
You know
too.
what? How about one more thing?
One more thing. I have this tube.
Ooh, I like those snake tubes. Deal.
Thank you for the dimple.
Thanks for that.
Look at.
All right. What do you got to bring to the table there?
Those pop pretty loud.
I got
Snake.
a glitter snake.
Ooh, I like those
A
things.
glitter snake.
Mm-hmm.
Its real name's a gel snake.
Feels
I got
cool.
these 2 remote control
Clickers.
fidgets.
I'm gonna show that looks like a light switch.
They all kind of do.
have a little poppet.
Yeah,
They sell them on Christmas, I think.
yeah, only on Christmas.
Ooh, how about a squeezy squirrel?
It lost both its eyes, sadly.
All right. Or
Yeah.
okay, how
Yeah, one last thing. Just one thing.
how about
And
my liquid timer?
Ooh, that's cool.
Liquid timekeeper.
deal.
Awesome.
Thank you. Oh, there's someone at the door.
Oh, we'll pause it. Continue. Go, guys.
So I
Hayden's
have
outside today.
this huge octopus poppet.
It's huge. Fits a head
And
almost.
it's reversible too.
And it's a hat
I can
for
wear it
me.
as a hat if I wanted to.
But he can't fit it. I have one of the biggest poppets ever.
Whoa,
It
nice.
takes over that.
It does. Deal? Nice.
Just like put it outside the border.
All right, deal. Cool.
Alright.
What else is on the?
Is it my turn?
Yeah,
it's your
your
turn.
turn.
Okay. I have this.
Ooh,
poppet
that's
that
a
changes
cool
color
one.
in the sun.
Ooh, I've heard about those.
Color
I've always
changing,
wanted
yeah.
one of those.
It's white otherwise, but outside in the sun, it changes
It
color.
changes
Threes.
to, blue, and I don't know what the middle color is, and then like a pink.
It's like pink, white, and blue, isn't it?
Yeah, I think it is.
How about I got 2 Squid Game poppets?
Ooh, Squid Game.
I haven't watched it before, but deal.
Okay.
Awesome.
Okay, keep going, keep going.
All
Your
right.
turn.
So I have a slinky.
Rainbow Slinky. It's
A
one of
real
those big
slinky.
ones, and it's easy to repair.
Yeah.
I have a cube, just a random poppet cube, and if you think it's just a random cube, watch.
Whoa.
When you have a second, pass me my phone behind you, Kai.
One more thing that's
One last
good.
thing.
Kyle, can you pass me my phone? Pass me my phone. Keep going. Yeah.
I have a poppet spinner.
Whoa, I like that one.
It's huge. It's a huge poppet that it cannot even spin it.
Super duper cool.
Deal.
How can it spin it either?
Very cool.
My friend is watching me do the fidget.
So many fidgets, right?
Yeah.
All right, it's your turn, buddy.
It's my turn. I have a Claire's spinner
Ooh, a clip.
That is Claire's, yeah.
from Claire's
Yeah, I
at
got
the Guilford Mall.
all these mochis here.
Oh, I love mochis. They're so soft.
How these mochis?
Yeah, that last thing.
More?
Okay, I got all these puzzle cubes.
What do you think?
Rubik's Cube.
Right,
Deal.
Nice deal.
I am going to get these. Oh, forgot about the puzzle.
Alright.
And look at this.
So I got all these mini octopus.
Oh, and they're reversible and they have different colors, don't they? Yeah.
Reversible.
Different colors.
I'm going to put
See?
my two infinity cubes.
Ooh, that's a nice
Deal.
one. That's a deal.
Oops. You want to take that?
That's a good trade. Okay, next.
Is it?
It's your turn now, bud.
I have this Claire's pocket.
I like the colors of that.
It's glue.
Pretty.
It's one of my. This is my first Hot Pocket.
That was your
One of these
first.
track ropes.
Expensive, that one. Ooh, yeah. Tangle rope.
Tangle
You
rope.
guys have a lot of fidget.
Yeah.
Deal.
Awesome.
Just for this tangle. I don't have a tangle. Look.
Alright.
This to it. And it goes.
Okay, keep going. Video's running. Go.
So I got all of these marble
Mesh.
marble mesh.
There's a black one too somewhere, isn't there?
There's a black one somewhere.
That's all right. Keep going. What do you think of that?
I have a
Marble mesh.
dinosaur, but it has a hole in it, but it's still fine.
Dinosaur.
Added some little snake ropes.
They say that a snake rope
Yeah.
to infinity, because I think they said that's
Yeah, the monkey noodles.
this one. I have this one. I have these
Ooh.
noodles.
Is there more monkey
snake,
noodles? Oh.
This, and I have a homemade color changer.
That's a pretty good
I'm
deal.
sold.
Yeah, that's a good deal.
What about the keyboard?
We're just doing fidgets.
Or the keyboard puppet.
Oh, the puppet, yeah.
It's my turn. I think.
We haven't got to that
I
yet.
have this keyboard, Santa Claus, and a dinosaur.
Oh wow.
Oh, that's a big trade. Oh
I'm
my,
not gonna say that.
a beer bottle, yeah, beer. A mug. It's a mug.
It's Among Us poppet.
Huge Among Us poppet.
And a glow in the dark.
The glow in the dark's your favorite, yeah.
What's that? I forgot to you have a snow
I got it.
What?
It's-
You have a snow stress ball? That's this.
I have my spinner
That glows in the
collection.
dark.
Hey, I have a spinner collection.
Wow.
I don't know, Marcus. I'd ask for
That right
more.
there is actually smaller than my.
Yeah, I'd ask for more.
Some more.
And some more.
Oh, here's another one to add to it.
Nice, so does Marcus. Ooh,
Deal.
I
nice.
actually put my hand a little bit. I take these.
All right.
Oh, let me take these.
Okay, a few more left. You got more, Marcus. Chop, chop.
It's your turn, right?
I got
This pen snapper.
pencil.
A pen with a snapper.
And I will add
Yeah, I'll come outside after I'm done.
snake and a mini tube.
Yeah, we're thinking about the bouncy castle. We just got home from work, so
No, I like Claire's wallet.
we'll
It's a
have
wallet.
Ooh.
Oh, that is so cool. Something. Oh,
well, don't tell people that's your secret hiding spot.
Can I see the keyboard puppet?
So
Keyboard puppet.
good.
I can't move because I'm taping.
Oh, I always wanted to try a poppet ball. I never tried it before. Poppet ball.
All right, your turn, Marcus.
It's my turn. I have this glow needle.
The glow in the dark needle is pretty cool. Neato, yeah.
And I have the circle, the textured monkey noodle, and this green monkey noodle, and oh, I forgot. Sorry. Making sure I don't do that again. This is why you do it to a bowl. And I almost forgot. We're looking at popping stuff. Did I try this? Did I try this?
No.
And I almost forgot. I have.
What do you have to offer, Kyle? That's a
Are
whoa!
you guys a YouTuber?
A whole
Yeah,
puzzle set.
I have 81 subscribers.
Okay, so I got These little poppets I got. The snapper.
On the video, guys. On the video.
I got an infinity
You mean
flipping ring.
deal?
Oh.
Deal? Wow, that was, I think you got ripped off there. Yeah, those are from Marcus to still trade.
Wait, but
You gotta let Marcus.
Okay.
Okay, outside, guys. Outside, please.
Squid game.
We're doing.
We just want to try out the puppet.
I know, but we're still doing the video.
No, the bounce castle. No. How would I play like that?
Okay, what do you think, Marcus? Hurry up.
No, we're not playing fighting in the bounce game.
Nah, I love the controller.
2 balls. Why did he never bring the bounce castle? Rings. Real color chicken needle. Oh my god. This ball, poppy ball, and these puzzle pieces.
I think Julia has it.
Oh yeah, I have the poppy ball. Here you go.
Just to trade it? There you go. Is it a deal? Is it a deal or what?
Oh yeah, Shibda has one, right? Yeah,
That's a yeah, good deal.
What's that? Oh, good. A noisemaker. I like watching this. We got noisemakers. Oh. Look at this. I could put it back.
Okay, don't.
Look how many are. Show it. I see.
So that was our latest stuff.
Yeah, that was the latest stuff. No. Why does that has?
I hope you enjoyed our fidget trading.
With what friends?
He's got so much more upstairs.
Guests.
I even have